He is my father. He is my father. He wakes up early. He wakes up early. He drinks coffee. He drinks coffee. He goes to work. He goes to work. He drives a car. He drives a car. He wears a suit. He wears a suit. He talks on the phone. He talks on the phone. He types on a computer. He types on a computer. He helps people. He helps people. He comes home. He comes home. He hugs me. He hugs me. He asks about my day. He asks about my day. He listens to me. He listens to me. He cooks dinner. He cooks dinner. He sets the table. He sets the table. He eats with us. He eats with us. He tells stories. He tells stories. He watches TV. He watches TV. He plays with me. He plays with me. He helps with homework. He helps with homework. He gives advice. He gives advice. He tucks me in. He tucks me in. He kisses goodnight. He kisses goodnight. He loves me. He loves me.